Alright, in this short video I'll show you how you can easily access to a specific wiki site of a specific distribution or specific software. Instead of roaming through the internet and doing searching and all this stuff, you can directly go there with the particular search word of the particular distribution or software wiki pages. Okay, for that I have written a small shell script which will show you the places you need to go. Okay, this is a very rudimentary, very ordinary, but super useful, at least to me. Okay, I have bounded a key to bring up that particular menu of wiki list. Okay, I have bounded it to mod w. W stands for wiki, so mod in my system is alt, so if I press alt w, see, it show me the wiki pages where I want to search. Say for instance I want to go to ArcWiki. Now it is prompting me anything which I wanted to see. For instance, if I say systemd, okay, if I want to search, see, my browser it directly bring me here to the ArcWiki without hovering anywhere. Likewise, you can search any term on that specific wiki to get to there. Okay, now if I go back here and if I say, okay, I want to go to, if I go to Gentoo wiki and I'm looking for bash, okay, or I don't know, maybe we are looking for OpenRC. If you go here, don't mind, my internet is pathetically slow, so I beg your patience. See, it directly pointing me to that particular page. Very convenient. Okay, so likewise, if I go back and say, you don't have to come to here, I just come out of habit. Say if I want to go to the Slackware documentation, just press enter and it will take you there. It will not prompt you because I directly make it a point, so it will go to the Slackware documentation page directly instead of going anywhere. Okay, it is really slow, I don't know why. See, it open up the Slackware documentation page. Likewise, if you do say Debian, okay, and you want to see something called what is that, kernel, I don't know whether it will find it out or not, but you got the idea, right? See, it show something related to kernel in the Debian page, Debian wiki, right? So for instance, if I go to Emacs, it will go to the simple, I think you got the idea, right? The bottom line is to that instead of hovering here and there, with a simple key press which will direct us directly to the place where we should get the more relevant and authentic information. Right, simple and clear. So the code which do all this stuff, let me show you. Search Linux wiki, or what is that? I can't remember things today nowadays. Linux search wiki, what is that? Here you go. Okay, so this is a simple thing. Okay, there is an array which which contain all the places where we need to go. Then when I directly hard coded, because I know the page, like you will be knowing the page where thing you should go, you want it to go, right? Instead of searching, you directly place it and it will simply invoke your default browser and it will open. For this place here, there is a query option which will it will prompt you the query of this particular system, this particular stuff, and it will take you there directly. Okay, so this is super convenient, and that's why it's just few lines of code and it will bring a lot of stuff, right? Very easy, very. I hope this will be useful to someone. See, you can make the code look much more clever, complex, and much, but the point is that at the end of the day, the job should be done efficiently, right? And then the code can be written in several other ways. So when things are not required to become complex, don't do a complex thing. Okay, when it requires some complexity, put your head there. So anyway, so I hope this will be helpful to some people. Thanks for watching.